Jai Srimannarayana. 24th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sankalpa Prabhavan Kaman Tyaktva Sarvan अशेषतः मनसैव इन्द्रियग्रामम् विनियम्य समन्ततः ॐ With great effort, it is possible to abandon the desires of the mind by avoiding thinking about them. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall put all my effort to abandon the desires of the mind. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatamu 9th Skandham, Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Savanaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "Oh Parikshin Narendra, Sakshat Paramatma has born as eighth son to Vasudeva. Yada yada hi dharmasya kshayo vruddhischa papmanaha tadatu bhagavanisha atmanam srujate harihi." Whenever there is a danger to dharmam and whenever the adharmam is increases, there comes Sakshat Paramatma with his own sankalpam. Nakhyasya janmano hetuhu karmano va mahipate atma mayam vinesasya parasya drashturatmanaha. For Paramatma's appearance and disappearance, for Paramatma's all other activities, there is no other reason other than his own sankalpam. So none of the activities in this entire universe can influence Paramatma. O Parikshin Narendra, in order to uplift soul from the cycle of birth and death, in order to have the soul attain divine abode, Sakshat Paramatma takes his own avatarams and does this Srishti Sthiti Laya activities. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogendra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 24th sloka. Sankalpa prabhavan kaman tyaktva sarvanaseshataha manasaivendriyagramam viniyamya samantataha. Sankalpa prabhavan kaman tyaktva sarvanaseshataha manasaivendriyagramam viniyamya samantataha. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.